Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring 6 of the best motherboards for gaming, content creation, and high-performance computing. From budget-friendly powerhouses to premium ITX builds and flagship gaming rigs, these boards deliver the features, connectivity, and reliability that enthusiasts demand. Whether you're building a compact mini ITX system, maximizing value on a budget, or going all out with the latest Intel or AMD platform, these motherboards combine cutting-edge technology with rock-solid performance. Let's get started. Number 6. Asus ROG Strix Z890E Best Intel. The Asus ROG Strix Z890E represents the pinnacle of Intel motherboard engineering, built for enthusiasts who demand maximum performance from their Intel Core processors. Featuring robust VRM design with premium power stages, this board handles even the most aggressive overclocking with ease. PCIe 5.0 support for both graphics cards and storage ensures you're ready for the latest GPUs and blazing fast NVMe drives. The comprehensive connectivity includes Wi-Fi 7, multiple USB 4.0 ports, and 2.5G Ethernet for lightning-fast networking. With AI-enhanced cooling controls, AuraSync RGB lighting, and Asus's renowned BIOS interface, the Z890E delivers premium features wrapped in stunning aesthetics. The Asus ROG Strix Z890E retails for approximately $500 USD. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix B860i Best ITX Intel. The Asus ROG Strix B860i proves that small form factor doesn't mean compromising on features or performance. This mini ITX powerhouse packs enterprise-grade power delivery into a compact design, perfect for building high-performance systems in tight spaces. Despite its diminutive size, it features robust cooling solutions, PCIe 5.0 support, and premium audio components that rival full-size boards. Dual M2 slots with advanced thermal solutions keep your storage running cool under load, while Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4.0 ensure you're not sacrificing connectivity. The intelligent layout maximizes every millimeter of PCB space, making cable management surprisingly easy in compact cases. For gamers and creators who want flagship performance in a small footprint, the B860i is the ultimate choice. The Asus ROG Strix B860i retails for approximately $350 USD. Number 4. Gigabyte B760M Best Budget Intel. The Gigabyte B760M delivers exceptional value for builders who want solid Intel performance without breaking the bank. This micro ATX board features reliable power delivery that handles 13th and 14th Gen Intel processors with confidence, making it perfect for mainstream gaming and productivity builds. Smart fan controls and quality VRM heatsinks ensure stable operation even during extended gaming sessions. With PCIe 4.0 support, multiple M2 slots, and gigabit Ethernet, you get modern connectivity features at a budget-friendly price. The durable construction and Gigabyte's proven reliability mean this board will serve you well for years to come. If you're building a cost-effective gaming PC or workstation without sacrificing quality, the B760M offers unbeatable bang for your buck. The Gigabyte B760M retails for approximately $150 USD. Number 3. Asus Prime B650 Plus Best Budget AMD. The Asus Prime B650 Plus is the smart choice for AMD builders seeking quality and features at an accessible price point. Designed for Ryzen 7000 series processors, this board provides stable power delivery and comprehensive cooling to unlock impressive performance from AMD's efficient CPUs. PCIe 4.0 support across graphics and storage slots ensures compatibility with current generation components, while multiple M2 slots accommodate fast NVMe drives for rapid load times. The clean, professional aesthetic fits any build theme, and Asus's user-friendly BIOS makes setup and optimization straightforward even for first-time builders. With reliable Realtek networking and audio, plus extensive USB connectivity, the B650 Plus gives you everything you need for a solid mid-range system. The Asus Prime B650 Plus retails for approximately $160 USD. Number 2. Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Best AMD. The Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite represents the sweet spot for AMD enthusiasts who want premium features without flagship pricing. Built for the latest Ryzen processors, this board features reinforced power delivery with premium components that handle both stock and overclock configurations effortlessly. Advanced thermal design with extended heat sinks keeps VRMs and chipsets cool during demanding workloads. PCIe 5.0 support future-proofs. Your build for next-generation graphics cards, while multiple Gen 4 M2 slots with thermal guards ensure your storage performs at peak speeds. Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5G Ethernet, and extensive USB options including USB-C headers provide all the connectivity modern users demand. The striking Aorus design with customizable RGB accents adds style to substance. The Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite retails for approximately $208 USD. Number 1. Asus ROG Strix X870EE Best ITX AMD. The Asus ROG Strix X870EE stands as the ultimate mini ITX AMD motherboard, combining flagship features with exceptional small form factor design. This engineering marvel delivers desktop-class performance in a compact package that fits premium ITX cases perfectly. The sophisticated VRM design with active cooling handles, even power-hungry Ryzen 9 processors with remarkable efficiency. Full PCIe 5.0 implementation across graphics and storage, Wi-Fi 7, USB 4.0, and premium audio codec ensure this tiny board rivals or exceeds full-size competitors. Dual M2 slots with advanced thermal management keep high-performance SSDs running optimally. Asus's AI-enhanced features optimize performance, cooling, and networking automatically. For enthusiasts building the ultimate compact AMD powerhouse, the X870EE represents the pinnacle of mini ITX motherboard design. The Asus ROG Strix X870EE retails for approximately $550 USD.